Hey everyone, today we're talking about a pest that's more than just a nuisance, it can put your health and home at risk: rodents. If you've ever heard scratching in your walls or found droppings in the kitchen, this video is for you. Rodents like rats and mice are common invaders in homes. They sneak in through tiny gaps as small as a coin, and once inside, they multiply quickly. There are two main types you'll usually encounter indoors: house mice, small, gray, or light brown, about 2 to 4 inches long. They're fast, curious, and often hide in kitchens, basements, and storage areas. Rats, larger, around 7 to 9 inches, with thicker bodies and long tails. They're more cautious than mice and can live in attics, walls, or crawl spaces. Why are rodents a problem? First, they chew constantly. Their sharp teeth can damage wires, insulation, and even furniture. Second, they contaminate food and surfaces with droppings and urine, spreading diseases like salmonella and hantavirus. Here are some simple tips to prevent and control rodents in your home. Tip 1. Seal entry points. Check for gaps around doors, windows, and close them with steel wool or caulking. Tip 2. Store food securely. Keep pantry items in sealed containers and don't leave pet food out overnight. Tip 3. Try natural repellents. Strong scents like peppermint oil, cloves, or bay leaves can help keep rodents away. Place cotton balls soaked in peppermint oil near entry points or cabinets. Tip 4. Use household deterrents. Sprinkling crushed red pepper or garlic powder in problem areas can make spaces less inviting for rodents. Tip 5. Declutter. Cardboard boxes, piles of clothes, or storage areas give rodents great hiding spots. If you're still dealing with rodents despite your best efforts, it's time to call the experts. Contact ASM Pest Exterminator for safe and effective rodent removal services. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pest control tips. Thanks for watching.